Can you monetize a faceless YouTube channel? Yes. Are there any highly profitable faceless channel niches? Absolutely yes. In this video, I will show you 8 faceless channel niches that are not only highly profitable, but also are easy to start. Literally anyone can do it right now, like today. Welcome to the Merit Mastering channel. I'm Eva, and without any other further ado, let's get started. Niche idea number 1, software tutorials. It can be any software you have used or have any knowledge of it, and you don't need to be an expert. You need to get things done. This channel called Flow Studio makes up to $10,000 per month, and look at these tutorials. For example, the easy long shadow effect on Photoshop. It's just a single effect tutorial. People will always be looking for tutorials on YouTube. It's just evergreen content to consider. Now, niche idea number 2, tech. When you go into tech, you can narrow down your niche even more. For example, this channel, Pro Robots, makes $25,000 per month, and all the videos are about future technology and robots. This video of the best robots and gadgets of 2020 got over 1 million views in 10 months. Bear in mind, I'm not showing you massive channels with millions of subscribers, okay? These are small and medium-sized channels to get a better idea of where you could be in the nearest future. Okay, niche number 3, top 10 list channels. List channels are such a great way of giving your content a structure and engage the viewer through the entire video, which provides a good retention rate, meaning the YouTube algorithm will know that this is a good quality video and push it out there more to be seen more and more. Some of the examples are Watch Mojo, Hooked, and Top 10 channels. Niche number 4, celebrity channels. Whose guilty pleasure is watching celebrity gossip channels? Let me know in the comments. I won't tell anyone. So, for example, T-Spills is another well narrowed down niche channel that talks not about any celebrity gossip, but specifically about the gossip in the beauty industry. And it makes over $200,000 per year doing so. There are always drama in the beauty industry. Even me, who isn't in makeup much, knows that. Now, niche idea number 5, gaming. I'm not into gaming, but I know gaming videos on YouTube got a lot and loads of views. For example, a channel called Faceless makes more ad revenue every year than some other niche channels with the same amount of subscribers. Like we just saw with the T-Spill, okay? Videos on this channel are all about Minecraft, and if you are a gamer yourself, have you considered this could be a potentially your source of income? Let's move on to the niche idea number 6, cooking. I'm sure you have seen cooking videos where the person shows the entire kitchen and himself while cooking, but really you don't have to do it, and you can just record your workspace and your hands while cooking. And it also doesn't have to be like long complicated recipes. It can be interesting tips and tricks about cooking, like on the So Yummy channel. Alright, niche idea number 7, crafts. Everyone likes crafts and hacks. It can be a short, engaging videos, literally about anything. And again, you might use your hands to record the video, but you do not need to show your face at all. Like on a 5-minute craft channel that makes whooping $9 million every year. The sky is the limit, I'm telling you. Last but not least, niche number 8, TV show reviews. Another easy channel idea anyone can do, and this time you do not need to even record anything. You can use the footage from the popular TV shows or movies and review them by stating your own opinions. And no, YouTube will not gonna remove your videos, because these type of videos falls under fair use, as the video purpose is to review and critique the show. Like a channel called Looper is doing it and making nearly $1 million per year from the ad revenue alone. All you need to do is to edit the footage from the TV show or movies and use your voiceover. Alright, I think I have given you enough ideas of faceless niches that are highly profitable on YouTube. Now, once you have chosen the niche, it's time to come up with a great YouTube channel name, and you can do that by watching this video right here. To grow your channel faster and make money on YouTube, subscribe and hit the notification bell once you have watched this video right here. And I will see you on the next one.